Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can private your Facebook profile from non-other friends. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on that menu icon, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Sorry, tap on setting and privacy. Tap on settings again. Here you can see privacy checkup. Tap here. Now here you can see who can see what you share. Tap on it. Here are the different options and you just have to tap on continue, and here you can see all of my data. Now here you can see friends and followers. Who can see friends and followers that I follow? So I added the privacy to only me, but if you want to show your friends to friends, you just simply have to tap on friends. Also, who can see the pupil pages and list you follow? Here you can see. Now if you want to show your pages to the pupil in your friend list, so you can simply tap on friend or you can tap on only me. Now tap on next. Here you can see default audience. If you don't want to make your profile public, you just simply have to tap on privacy, and here you can tap on friends or you can tap on only me. It's up to you whatever you want to select. So I wanted to make it public, I just tap on public. But if you want to save your profile from public, so you just simply have to tap on friends, right? Let's go back. Now here you can see stories. Who can see your stories? Just tap on the it's already to only friends, right? But if it's public, you can simply have to tap on friends. Go back again, and here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue, and here you can see you are in control of who can send your friend request. If you want only friends to send requests to you or friends of friends, you can just simply tap on friends of friends instead of tapping on everyone, right? But I want to make it everyone, so I just tap on everyone. Okay, now tap on next, and here you can see who can see the phone number you provided, also who can see the email you provided. Now tap on next. And here you can see, do you want search engine outside Facebook to link your profile? If you don't want the outsider to link your profile, so you can just simply turn off it. So this is how you can make your profile to show only to friends instead of non-friends. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.